Good morning everyone, we are team AI Coders and we are tackling a problem that is AI for everyday India empowering local businesses. First of all, what are the challenges that Indian local businesses face? First challenge is what they face is limited digital reach, second is inventory headaches, third is language barriers and fourth is digital scam risks. And for these problems we have introduced our model that is Vyapar AI. In Vyapar AI we have made a in Vyapar AI, we have introduced AI assistant that is your personal AI assistant which is useful for local vendors, and this AI assistant which we will in that assistant you can ask in your local languages and it will answer it in your local languages. Whatever inventory management or strategies you can ask through AI assistant. And we have a fully developed full stack website in which we are providing WhatsApp marketing or email marketing and UPI protection. Now, why Vyapari AI matters for India? Most of the Kirana shops don't have online reach to expand their business, and most of them don't have a website. And if they have a website, they get in some digital scams. So, Vyapari AI is something that we are introducing as a full stack website as well as an AI assistant, which we will further upgrade into a hardware system like Alexa. Okay. Now, what are Vyapari AI's impact? So, first is it will give you a revenue growth. Second is it will save your time. Third, it will manage your efficiency. Okay, and fourth is it is safer for transactions. Now, what are our roadmaps? First, we have researched and prototype. We have built our prototype. Now, for the product, fully developed product, we will develop it in future. Second is core development. We have used machine learning and we basically made a RAG agent where we deployed the PDF and everything. And the data of the local Kirana shops. Okay, and third is we have made a website, fully functional full stack website where we deployed it on Vercel. And okay, sorry, we didn't deploy it on Vercel. We have our personal domain that is VyaparAI.eCell.ecb. Okay, and the tech stack we have used, first is we have used a machine learning model in which we have used Python libraries and everything, and we have made a RAG agent. Second is we have used front end with front end as a we have made the website on Hostinger and React as front end and Spring Boot as back end, and MySQL as database.
So this is our website vyaparai.ecellecb.com. So this is our dashboard. The business owner can see his total sales, pending orders and net profits, and this is sales performance chart for their performance overview. Then there comes the inventory. Here he can manage its inventory and quick edit it. Then let's go to orders. Here he can check what orders he has got. Then in analytics section he will get all its analysis of direct social media referrals and organic searches. Then in target achievement he will get to know how much target he has achieved from his prediction. Then here comes the future roadmap of our website. Then this is our Ask AI. Here he will be able to chat, and with the audio option he will also can chat in audio like hello. Then we will press enter. It will show like this.
बहुत बढ़िया सवाल है, डेटा चेक कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, this is the AI agent. This is basically the RAG agent which we have made and which we will further integrate into a hardware just like Alexa. Hello, namaste.
अरे भाई, राम राम. सब बढ़िया. मैं यहाँ हूँ आपकी सेवा में.
Thank you.